Hi, this is Vijay Balaji, and this is the creative work code that I have done. Here we import the Flutter package with the material dart, and also we import the my page with the controller, and I have created a class over here which extends a stateful widget, and also created a class which holds some three sort of strings, and also created a form key with the global key. And further I have implemented the stepper widget which needs to have the current step in the initial part of 0, and from over there, and I have created the stepper parts which include the list which has the 3 different steps. And the first step includes the title, and the active, it may be true or false, and the state, and I have included the text form field which has the text input type with the text which is the keyboard type. And further I have also done the decoration for it with the label text of enter your name and hint, and I have included icon for it. And the step 2 also includes the same format, except it has a different text with a different name and icons with the email, and even this as a decoration. And the step 3 also I have included the same sort of things with the text, label, hint, and I have just done a different work on the icon. And at the last I have done an override. Here we implement the stepper logic where we give the logic for the button tapped, button to cancel, and also to continue. And this is the info page controller which I have given the name, and this imports the controller from the home page and also material.dart and the main page which is info page. And this one has the pop-up menu, the one from the home page, and later it has the navigator so that it can be navigated from info page. So that's it.